Hey, my Bronhilistas, thank you for wanting to vibe with me today. And for those who are stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. Feel free to subscribe. Don't be shy. So today we will be out in these streets doing a little bit of everything. Our first stop for the day, as you can see, is the car wash. We gotta get that car looking squeaky clean before we hit the road. Now, you know when your car is just washed, everything looks fresh and you feel fabulous, right? Because it actually sets the mood for your entire day. So after this, we'll be heading to check out a house that's up for sale, and me excited to see what it give. Keep watching. Okay, so we're here. So this property is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2.5 bath. And my first impression when we got there, it was airy, a lot of light coming in. And the square footage, if I remember correctly, it was 1,400 plus, just a little under 1,500 square feet. And as you can see, the kitchen is right immediately as you enter. You have the bathroom, the half bath, and then you have this dining area, which I think it's too small for a dining space. And then off to the left, you have the kitchen. Now, this island you do not get with the home. So the home does not come with its, with a big enough kitchen area or space to work with. So I'm not liking that for the home. Now the tiles, not liking the tiles on the floor, and I'm definitely not liking the counter, the countertop. Okay, tell me what you think about the countertop and the tiles on the floor. Now, as we walked into the living room, I believe the living area was way too small for my liking. Way too small. And I just could not picture myself in that space. I'm looking for something much larger than this. The patio was a decent size. I could work with that patio, although I would want a larger one, but I could work with that. I could work with it. Definitely could. The next thing that I noticed was that the yard was not separated, so you would have, the kids running across into your property or people coming over into your backyard. I did not like that for the space. So, yeah. All right, so we were here just chit-chatting. My real estate agent and my friend were just here chit-chatting with the agent for the developer. I was so anxious to go up the stairs. But the first thing I noticed was that there was carpet. The stairs was carpeted. I would rather a space where there's no carpet. Now, as you reach the landing and turned right, you see a lot of light is coming into the space. You see you have the windows going on, and as you turn right, you enter the main bedroom. Let me know what your thoughts are on this main bedroom. A lot of light. It's airy. A lot of light coming in. This space cannot hold a king-size bed. So that's the first negative. The bathroom, again, too small for my liking, but I could work with it. The shower is a little too small for me, but it's something that I could work with. Now, the countertop doesn't look modern to me. I'm used to a more modern space. Countertop for the bathroom. Maybe I'm just too spoiled, with what I've lived in before, but just not my style. This is just not my style. Am I picky? Comment below and let me know if I'm picky. Now, the closet space, again, is a little small, but I don't expect a large bedroom and closet space, because the home in totality is 1,432 square footage. So I didn't expect, huge bedrooms and, huge walk-in closets. But my bedroom, it must comfortably fit a king-size bed and a reading area, etc. Now, this is the second bathroom upstairs, and this is shared between the second and third bedrooms. And as we move around to the second and third bedrooms, decent size bedroom. And it has its closet. And then we go into the third bedroom. Very tiny, isn't it? The space is so tiny. You see, for me, if I were to go in and decorate the space, although I'm a minimalist, I love to bring in things that, you know, when I decorate my space, when I put the furniture in, it must be so comfortable and you must have room to walk around and do things in. And this space certainly would not allow me to do that. All right, guys, that's it for today. The car's clean, the house tour is done, and I'm feeling real inspired. Let me know in the comments what you all thought about the house. Would you live there or do a little makeover? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!